I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside Settings because that's where iCloud lives. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. This groups backups, photos, and more. Once there, tap iCloud Backup and make sure the toggle is on. This tells iPhone to store device data securely. If you need a fresh copy, tap Backup Now. That forces an immediate upload over Wi-Fi. You do this so the backup you'll view next is current and accurate. Now you'll inspect stored backups to see what's available and why. From iCloud Settings, go to Manage Storage, then Backups. This lists all devices linked to your Apple ID. You can see the size and last backup date for each device, which helps you decide if you need to restore or free space. Tap a device to view detailed app data included in that backup. Make sure the apps you care about are checked so nothing important is missing. To complete restoration, you'll erase the iPhone and choose Restore from iCloud Backup during setup. Follow prompts and stay on Wi-Fi until done. If a backup doesn't appear, make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID, connected to Wi-Fi, and have enough iCloud storage. That explains most failures. If problems continue, sign out and back into iCloud or restart the phone. These steps refresh the connection and often fix visibility or sync glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.